If you are working with large datasets, your datasets change over time and you have to make multi-layer reporting with your data, then Excel pivot table feature is the best feature for you. Doing any manual calculations in the above mentioned cases is not only time consuming, but it also opens the possibility of an untold number of errors in your analysis. In this lecture, I will focus on some situations where Excel pivot table feature best serves. Generally, a pivot table serves you well in any of the following situations. When you need to find relationships and groupings within your data. In this pivot table report, I have showed the product sales according to regions. So that makes a relationship between two datasets, products and region. Next, I have categorized and grouped product sales into years. So when you need this type of relationships and groupings, you must use the Excel pivot table feature. Next one is when you need to find a list of unique values from one field in your data. This dataset has around 93,160 rows of data. So finding out the unique regions from this region field and finding out the unique products from this product name field is really a toilsome job. Already in a lecture in this course, I have used advanced filtering to list the unique values from a dataset. That was really a time-consuming process. In this pivot table report, you are getting the unique product names and region names automatically. Next one is when you need to find out data trends using various time periods. This pivot table report is showing the sales data according to year. Expand any year, you get sales data in quarters. And recall that I did not add them manually. Pivot table has added these quarter groups for me. Next one is when you get frequent requests for changes to your data analysis. Say your boss comes to you and wants to see this pivot table report in a new way, not based on product and region wise. Say he wants to see this report according to customers and region wise. You will need just 10 seconds time to make a new report from it. Let's do it. I remove the product name and add customer name in the rows area. Though it is a report with thousands of rows, but this type of report might be necessary for the management sometimes. Next one is when you need to create subtotals that frequently include new additions. I get back to my previous pivot table. And you see, you get the subtotals of sales year-wise. For example, in year 2008, in Canada region, from selling 10-minute dial lighted timer, the company earned $472. And in the year 2009, the company earned nothing from this product in Canada. And the last one is when you need to organize your data into a format that is easy to make a chart. You can easily create a pivot chart using this pivot table report. In general, these are the cases where Excel pivot table feature best fits. Besides these cases, Excel pivot tables can be applied to many other spheres of business data analysis.